You know, if you have a poor body image, it's totally normal, and it's not your fault that you don't love your body. Let's face it, your whole life you have been bombarded with messages from diet culture that tell you you're not good enough if you don't look a certain way. Remember, diet culture tells us that to be healthy, to be happy and successful, and most importantly, desirable, we've got to change how we look. So, how do we break free from diet culture and its influence over us? Well, we can start by addressing our body image by just practicing mindfulness and intuitive eating. We can begin to see our body through a lens of compassion and curiosity rather than all this self-judgment. We can stop weighing ourselves. I mean, seriously, stay off the scale for at least a little while. We can resist the urge to compare ourselves to others. I mean, we're all beautiful and different, and that's the way it's supposed to be. We can decide to wear clothes that actually fit us in the body we have right now. We can also begin to practice some self-care by overhauling our social media feeds to delete accounts that make us feel bad about ourselves, and then search for the ones that motivate you and promote acceptance of all body types. It's time to let go of the fantasy that our lives will magically change for the better once we lose weight. It's time to take our power back from diet culture. You don't have to love your body, but you can start by learning how to feel neutral. Just accept the body you're in. And I can show you how. I'm Holly Toscanini. I am a certified health coach and a recovering chronic dieter. I coach women who are ready to walk away from diet culture and redefine their relationship with food while at the same time establishing a peaceful relationship with their bodies. My non-diet approach to health is important because it allows you to stop wasting your precious time and energy trying to change yourself to fit some unrealistic ideal of beauty. And it speaks to your underlying desire to feel valued and worthy just the way you are. If you want to learn more about how working with a coach like me can help, click the link in my bio to schedule a free discovery call today just to see if we're a good fit to work together. Let's get your life back from diet culture.